as math or Telugu. So we want the best school infrastructure, no doubt. We want proficiency in foundational literacy and numeracy. That's what we plan to focus on. All the schools. Grade appropriate learning is what is the ultimate outcome. Then focus on communication skills. The result should be we should get the top ranks in competitive exams. Children from government school should be able to get into NEET, all the JEE advanced, all kinds of best universities and colleges. There should be a series of good coordinated science exhibitions, international exposures to students and select teachers as well. And finally, we should have well-trained teachers abreast with the latest technology. Only when they are aware of the technology, they'll be able to transfer it to the students. These are the outcomes, some of the outcomes. I'm sure we'll have a discussion with Honorable Minister and Honorable Chief Minister to take more inputs. For the time being, this is the draft plan. Now coming to the 3-4 slides, where I request the attention of the collectors, is enrollment. Yes, we are aware that the enrollment is a factor of both data entry and actual physical enrollment. And usually every year it stabilizes around the end of August. All the collectors are already aware what you need to do. You can see there are 3 distinct verticals which we have put. One is PP1, PP2 and first standard. That's the foundation level. Next is class 2 to 10, class 11 and 12. There's a big drop in class 11 and 12, which please focus, because in SDGs and employability, whatever Saurabh we'll be talking next is employability. Unless we push them into higher education, that's the weakest link in the entire chain. And the PP1, PP2 and class 1, I was told it's more of data entry because Anganwadi data is not being captured. I request all the collectors to focus on this one. But the second vertical, class 2 to class 10, it's just transition. Students who are already with us in class 1 are not reflected. There's still 67,000. So 10 days back, it was 4.5 lakhs. All the collectors have really worked hard and brought it down to 67,000. I'm sure next couple of days, you'll be able to bring it down to bare minimum. So I request all the collectors, the figures are there for you to see. Please focus on this and see that it's done. Don't wait till August 10. August 15, we should be able to close this. Next is the basic thing for teachers, for schools to function, is teachers to attend. If they attend, yes, we are assured that a minimum teaching goes on. Sir.
Is there any data?
Sir.
Mere pre-primary class 2 10, class 11 to 12, you are putting 23, 25 or 24.
23, 24 last year, sir.
Last year, this year.
Yes, sir.
I am asking how many students are out of school network.
Sir.
That is the data you have to collect.
Sir, this.
Generally, by August, the entire stabilization comes in and data entry is completed using
No,
August.
ఈ డేటా ఓకే నేను కాదనలేదు. నేను ఏంటంటే మొత్తం డేటాని వెరిఫై చేసి ఈవెన్ కలెక్టర్స్ హ్యాస్ టు ఎన్యూమరేట్ హౌ మెనీ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ స్కూల్ నెట్వర్క్, హౌ టు బ్రింగ్ దెమ్ అండర్ స్కూల్.
Dropouts.
డ్రాప్అవుట్స్,
Total dropouts. System నుంచి dropouts.
దట్ ఈస్ వేర్ 0 డ్రాప్అవుట్స్ రావాలి.
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు మీరేం చేస్తున్నారంటే ఒక ఎక్సర్సైజ్, ప్రైమరీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్, ఓకే క్లాస్ 1, ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ మన గవర్నమెంట్ స్కూల్స్ కి రావడానికి ఏం చేయాలో మీరు ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు. ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ అందరూ స్కూల్కి రావడం నేర్చుకుంటే తర్వాత గవర్నమెంట్ ఎట్లా క్వాలిటీ పెంచాలో పెంచడం వేరు, దాంట్లో తప్పలేదు. కానీ ఎవ్రీ స్టూడెంట్ ఇన్ ది స్టేట్ అంటే చైల్డ్ దే మస్ట్ కమ్ అండర్ స్కూల్ నెట్వర్క్, ఏదో ప్రైవేట్ ఆర్ గవర్నమెంట్. ఎవ్వడు ఒక్కడు కూడా మిస్ కావడానికి వీల్లేదు. దాన్ని ఏం చేయాలని వర్కౌట్ చేయాలి.
Yes, sir. We'll work out, sir. The teachers' attendance, we have an app which captures it's the facial recognition based app. But if you see, the average is only 50%. Since most of you are newly joined the districts, I just wanted to sensitize you about this app. There's 2 times which the attendance needs to be captured. Once when you come inside, once go out. Primary schools start at 9 and up to 3:30. upper primary and high schools 9 to 4 o'clock. So there's a 10 minutes grace time for out time. But if you look at the district-wise figures, all the districts are in red because the average is only 50%. So please see that this culture of capturing attendance, it's geofenced. There's no extra effort on the teacher. He just needs to, from his own phone, he can capture the attendance. Please see that it goes up because we need to work on which teacher has not come, which are the schools where there's only one teacher, where we need to send teacher from another school to this school so that children do not suffer. So these are very important aspects. First few days we need to put this thing in place and see that this is stabilized well. Next, Dokka Sitama Madhyana Bhojanam, Badi Bhojanam. This is a very, very important aspect which all of you need to focus on. As I was telling you, usually collectors, not to belittle any other department, but we focus on, if you have 30 mandals, 30 MRO offices, 30 MPD offices. But imagine each of you have put 1800 to 2000 schools under you. About 1.5 lakh children eat meals every day provided by the government. So the quality really matters. How it is being served, what is the quality of midday meal being served. Now, couple of collectors, sir, we spoke to all the collectors. They have given some suggestions. For example, hot pongal. ఈ హాట్ పొంగల్ అనేది కొన్ని ప్రాంతాల్లో బాగా ఇష్టపడతారు. ఒక అరగంట అది వండేసిన తర్వాత పక్కన పెడితే గట్టిగా అయిపోయి తింటలేదని చెప్పి ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ వచ్చింది సార్. అలాగే కొన్ని ప్రాంతాల్లో కొన్ని ఉదయాన్నే మధ్యాహ్నం పూట ఈ పులిహోర తింటలేదు, ఇష్టపడట్లేదని కొన్ని డిస్ట్రిక్ట్స్ నుంచి వచ్చినాయి. సో వీ హావ్ టేకెన్ వెరీ స్పెసిఫిక్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆల్ ది districts. What we said is, our Honorable Minister also has told us to comprehensively have a review at the menu without compromising on the nutritional inputs. So, what we said is, to start with, boiled eggs and chickpea are compulsory. Please continue that. But within the 6 days of menu, if you want to repeat any item which is already part of it, suppose hot pongal tintaledu, some other item which is part of the menu, you can try it. Because very soon we will be having a review and we will come out with more comprehensive. When you are working on it, we are talking to nutritional experts, we are taking feedback. So as a stopgap, please see that. But every child should have. Look at the percentages. Some percentages are quite low. Kakinada is only 86% of students already attending. It's not the total percentage. So districts may kindly have a look. See that whatever is cooked, people should be able to eat it. The quality and the menu items. So that flexibility we are giving it to you. Any other inputs also. The other day, midday meal ayas came. I asked them, you please make one menu and give it to us as a suggestion. So you also can try out without compromising the nutritional inputs. So please ensure drinking water. Couple of schools cooking ki drinking water ibbandulu unnayani we are getting some feedback. Civil supplies nunchi kuda there's already a practice that the best lot should go to the schools. Please ensure that, because from the godowns, the better lot is put aside and given to the hostels and the schools. Next is Manabadi Mana Bhavishyattu. We are in fact having a very comprehensive review, relook at the entire school infrastructure program, because the works which were taken up, there's a lot to be done. A lot of critical gaps which are still pending. These gaps need to be plugged. So first task is, please train all the SMC members. If you see, there is about 274 crores lying in the accounts of SMCs. So works which have already started needs to be completed by SMCs only. So you need to train all these SMC members the works. There should be proper record maintenance and transitions. As you are aware, there are some complaints here and there. When we have to take up and have a look into what actually happened, unless the records are properly maintained, it's at every school level. So please review and see that the records are maintained well and the members' capacity building takes place properly. The sand to be made available, Mukesh sir has already briefed in the morning session. So please see that the sand is made available when we start the works. Cement supplies, I also request the Industries Department. It's being streamlined.
కొంచెం క్విక్ గా మా
అయిపోయింది సార్, లాస్ట్
మరి స్లోగా వెళ్తున్నావు, చాలా టైం తక్కువ ఉంది.
Yes, sir. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan Vidyarthi Mitra. This is for the first time we are giving student kits to the intermediate students as well. Thanks to the intervention of Honorable Chief Minister and Honorable Minister, we were able to do this. The status class 1 to 10 uniforms, except 2 districts, Karnool and Anantapur, where the supplier there was some fire